Zippy Zebra Plumbing is a family-owned and operated business that is a licensed, bonded, insured plumbing and heating company. Serving the Arizona's East Valley of Mesa, Gold Canyon, Gilbert, Apache Junction, Chandler, and Tempe. In addition to general plumbing repairs, we specialize in water softeners, water heaters, slab leaks, house repiping, gas piping, water main, and sewer lines. As a referral-based company, Zippy prides itself on offering exceptional and meticulous work, knowledgeable technicians and employees, fair pricing, and friendly service. We are an accredited A+ business with the BBB and strive to keep that record. Let Zippy Zebra handle all your plumbing needs. Call us at 480-820-6595 or reach us at www.zippyzebraplumbing.com.